Welcome to another Ziva Math video. In this video, we will be dividing unit fractions and whole numbers using models. Let's start with dividing unit fractions by whole numbers. Here we have 1/4 divided by 2, and to solve this problem using a model, I'm first going to draw a whole. Then I'm going to divide that whole into fourths and highlight 1/4. This problem is 1/4 divided by 2, so I need to divide the fourth into two parts. 1/4 divided by 2 is this section, so we need to know what part of the whole this section is. In my model, I'm going to extend this line, so all of the pieces of my model are now the same size. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts. The whole is divided into eighths. That makes each part 1/8. 1/4 divided by 2 equals 1/8. This example is 1/6 divided by 4, and to solve this problem using a model, I'm first going to draw a whole. Then I'm going to divide the whole into sixths, or 6 equal parts, and highlight 1/6. This problem is 1/6 divided by 4, so I need to divide the 1/6 into 4 equal parts. 1/6 divided by 4 is this section here, so we need to know what part of the whole this section represents. In my model, I'm going to extend these lines, so all of the parts of my model are now the same size. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts in this section, plus 6 more is 12, plus 6 more is 18, plus 6 more makes 24 equal parts. That makes each part 1/24. 1/6 divided by 4 equals 1/24. Now let's look at dividing whole numbers by unit fractions. In this example, we have 4 divided by 1/3 that we will solve using a model. Because we have 4 wholes divided by 1/3, I'm going to start the model with drawing 4 wholes. Then, because we're dividing by 1/3, I need to break the whole up into 3 equal parts or break it into thirds. I need to do that to each whole because our problem is 4 divided by 1/3. Now that I have all 4 wholes divided into thirds, the number of equal parts I made is my quotient. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 equal parts. 4 divided by 1/3 equals 12. Here we have 3 divided by 1/5 that we will solve using a model. Because I have 3 wholes divided by 1/5, I'm going to start the model with 3 wholes. Then, because we're dividing by 1/5, I need to break the whole up into 5 equal parts, or break it into fifths. I need to do this to each whole because our problem is 3 divided by 1/5. Now that I have all 3 wholes divided into fifths, the number of equal parts I made is my quotient. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. The next whole gives me 5 more, which makes 10. And the third whole gives me 5 more, making a total of 15 equal parts. 3 divided by 1/5 equals 15. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Ziva Math for more videos.